Welcome to RIE's seminars. Today's video is the Escrows quiz, step-by-step guide for listing agents. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more real estate training and quizzes. What is the first action after an offer is accepted? Correct. Escrow opens by sending the purchase agreement. Who officially opens escrow in the transaction? Yes, the listing agent opens escrow. What tool helps agents organize transaction files? Right. Use transaction platforms to stay organized. How many days does a seller have to submit disclosures? Exactly. Disclosures are due in 5 days. What must be disclosed for pre-1978 homes? Correct. Lead-based paint disclosure is required. Who should agents consult about disclosure questions? Right. Always check with your broker. What's required for mobile home disclosure? Yes, park approval must be disclosed. Why check HOA financing approval? Correct. You must verify HOA financing approval. What's best when preparing disclosures? Exactly. Full transparency is best. Who inherits the property's issues? Correct. The buyer inherits any issues. When should inspections be scheduled? Right. Schedule inspections as escrow opens. What's the biggest hurdle in escrow? Yes. Repairs are often the biggest hurdle. What's a smart repair strategy? Correct. Offer a credit instead of repairs. What helps track multiple escrows? Right. Use a wall calendar with color codes. Who is ultimately responsible for timelines? Exactly. The listing agent is responsible. What if contingencies aren't removed on time? Correct. Send a notice to perform. What's the goal of the final walkthrough? Yes. Confirm repairs and property condition. What should you verify in the closing statement? Correct. Double-check names and payoffs? What's a good follow-up after closing? Right. Send helpful homeowner tips. What should you do if the appraisal is low? Exactly. Challenge or renegotiate if it's low.